So hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are interested in cybersecurity, ethical hacking or want to start a career in offensive security, then this video for you. Today I will explain what offensive security is and how you can learn it using TryHackMe even if you are a complete beginner. So what is offensive security? So instead of only defending systems, we attack our own systems legally to find vulnerabilities before real hackers do. So here in the try hack me, you can see that is the offensive security intro. So here you need to just click on and what is offensive security you can learn here. Okay, so what is the main goal of offensive security? So find the weakness, exploit them ethically, and help organizations to fix them. So this is the exactly what ethical hackers and penetration testers do. So why offensive security is important? So today cyber attacks are increasing every day. Companies don't want to wait for hackers to attack them, so they hire offensive security professional to test their security in advance. So this intro you need to learn. Once that what is the offensive security you learn, so you can hack your first machines. So just simply you need to click on here start machine. So starting your machine, so here you can easily start your you can do your first hacking. So exactly what you will do in this lab, so I will explain you. So basically you can see here there is the fake bank. The fake bank website is there. So you can safely hack this website with the help of the TryHackMe. So to start this machine only, simply you need to click on the start machines. Once that done, if you don't see the one shown above, use the show split screen option, you need to click. Okay, and once that done, you can see it is getting load. So I will tell you why TryHackMe for beginners. The TryHackMe is a perfect for beginners because step by step explanations, no fear of breaking anything, and beginner to advanced path. You learn by doing, not just watching theory. So this is the helpful for beginner also and for experienced guys also. So on the live stream you can see that the it's working. So you can see that fakebank.com, that is the fakebank.thm is the url. So you will get the access for it for the 1 hour. So you can see here lifetime, sorry, life left until your attack box expires. So you need to complete this labs in the 1 hour. So what you will do in this task? So simply this is the my fake bank thm is the my url. So first of all I will open this and just wait a minute. Yes, so you need to just open a terminal. So you can see here this is the terminal here on the browser side, upper side. So basically what you need to do, so use GoBuster. So we will use the GoBuster to find the hidden website pages, means in the background what hidden pages are available in this website, that we will learn. So simply this command you need to copy. Okay, and just I will paste it down in the my terminal, that is the CLI. So once I paste this URL and I will enter the, so it's getting in the progress. So we will get the so it's in 65% in progress. So it will take some seconds and you can see that it's finished. So you can see that there is the two part is there, images and bank transfer. So first of all I will copy this path bank transfer and I will show you what exactly how to do it. Means once it's done, you need to paste that path after the URL. Wait for a minute. Wait, I will type it manually. Bank transfer. Okay, and you can see that here you can see staff account, admin portal, send from bank account number and send to bank account number and what amount you need to send, and this is the send money option. Okay, so means how I got it, you can see here. Just hold on. You can see here, uh, this command is for what. So here you can see most company has an admin portal page, so giving their staff access to basic admin controls for day-to-day operations. So for bank, an employee might need to transfer money to and from client's account. So due to human error or negligence, there may be instances when these pages are not made private, allowing attackers to find hidden pages that show or give access to admin controls or sensitive data. So you can try to know what is the bank account number, so pages that show or give access to admin controls. So to begin, the type of the following command line potentially hidden pages on fake bank websites using GoBuster. So here you can see this is the step. So there is the two options, slash image and bank transfer is the in the background. So in the command above, hyphen u is used to state the website we are scanning, and hyphen w takes a list of words to iterate through to find web pages. So hack the bank. So you should have found a secret bank transfer page that allows you to transfer money between bank accounts. That is the bank transfer. Type the hidden pages into fake bank. So I already show you how to type that. So from this page, an attacker has authorized access can steal money from any bank account. As ethical hacker, you would with permission. Means you suppose you are having your means company's own website. So this website also you can try try to use, and you can find out what is the background which pages that are having. Okay, so your mission is to transfer $2000 from bank account 226 to your account number is 881. Means suppose 2276 is my bank account. I will open that URL. 2276 is my I will transfer from 2276 to 8881. Okay, and you need to transfer the $2000. That is your task. Okay, once that done, so you can see that you should now able to see your new balance reflected on your account page. So I will try to, and you can see that success transfer completed. You have successfully completed the transfer. Here are the details to reference: transfer reference number, you what amount you have transfer. Okay, and below that I will go to return to your account. Okay, once I will return to my account, so you can see that I am seeing the exactly means what dollar 767, that is the balance for the that 2276 account number. So you can see that congratulations, you hack the bank, and the answer to the TryHackMe question is bank hack. Okay, so means it's getting successfully, you are getting the what is account balance having that that in the bank you know, after you are trying to means making the payment. If suppose you know the that company's account number, okay, and you will transfer to that amount to your account number, so that after that you will see the what exact amount that account number company's account having. Okay, so this is the basic, this is the very basic hacking. So to go to the advance, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. We will meet you soon. So guys, thank you for watching my video. We will get you back soon.